Have you ever cried in silence, prayed for something and got no answer? You ask God, why am I going through this? And still silence. But what if I told you? God's silence doesn't mean his absence. Life can get heavy. You try to stay strong but the pressure keeps building. You look around and everyone else is moving forward, getting the job, the family, the life, and you're just stuck. You feel like maybe God skipped your name, but the truth is God hasn't forgotten you. He is forming you. In the silence he is stretching your faith. In the waiting he is sharpening your purpose. Because the deeper the struggle, the stronger the foundation. Imagine a seed buried in the dirt. In darkness, no light, no sound. But that seed is not dead. It's growing roots. And you're just like that seed. God is building your roots before he shows your fruit. You might not see progress, but that doesn't mean progress isn't happening. In fact, most of what God does happens before anyone sees a thing. David was anointed king but had to wait years before the crown. Joseph had a dream but spent years in prison before the palace. So if you're in a season of delay, maybe it's not denial, maybe it's divine preparation. You're not the first to feel forgotten by God. Even Jesus cried out, my God, why have you forsaken me?" But the silence wasn't abandonment. It was part of the greatest plan of redemption the world has ever seen. If Jesus had to face silence before victory, why wouldn't we? The silence is a sacred space, where God removes distractions, clears your path and shapes your soul. He is not punishing you. He is preparing you. Let me remind you, every season has an end. No valley lasts forever. No pain remains permanent. There is a morning after the midnight. There is a breakthrough after the breakdown. God knows exactly how much you can carry, and just when it feels like you're about to break, that is when his hand lifts you up. Stay faithful. Stay prayerful. Because your breakthrough is not just coming, it is already written. You may not feel him right now, but he is closer than your breath. Every tear you cried, he caught it. Every prayer you whispered, he heard it. So keep walking. Keep trusting. The silence will soon be broken. And when it is, you will realize God wasn't testing your strength. He was building your story. A story that will give hope to others. A testimony that will glorify his name. God is never late. He is just working on something greater for you right now.